In this lecture, we are going to discuss about machinability of engineering materials. Machinability is a term used in engineering and manufacturing to describe the easy with when a material can be machined or processed using various cutting and shaping techniques. It's a critical consideration when selecting materials for manufacturing processes such as turning, milling, drilling, grinding, and other machining operations. The machinability of a material can significantly impact production efficiency, tool life, and overall manufacturing costs. Machinability is often assessed through various tests and standards, and it can vary widely from one material to another. Materials with good machinability are favored in manufacturing processes because they allow for efficient and cost-effective production. Conversely, materials with poor machinability may require special tooling, slower machining speeds, and more frequent tool changes, which can increase production costs and lead times. The machinability of the material is indicated by percentages, which is called machinability index. All machinable metals are compared to a basic standard. The standard metal used for the 100% machinability is free cutting steel. The machinability index of carbon steels generally ranged from 40 to 60% and that of cast iron from 50 to 80%. The metals with a higher range of machinability index can be machined or cut easily. In summary, machinability is a crucial property of engineering materials that affects how easily they can be machined or processed using cutting and shaping techniques. Engineers and manufacturers consider machinability when selecting materials for specific application to optimize manufacturing efficiency and overall production quality. Thank you.